Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. Today I'll show you how to change the font size on your iPhone. This is useful if you want text to appear bigger and easier to read, or smaller so more content fits on the screen. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are in Settings, scroll down and tap on Display Brightness. Inside this menu, scroll down until you find the text size option. Tap on it to open the font size control screen. You will now see a slider at the bottom of the screen. Drag the slider to the right to increase the font size, or drag it to the left to decrease the font size. As you move it, you will see the sample text above change instantly so you can preview how it looks. If you want even more control over text visibility, go back to Display Brightness and enable bold text. This will make all system text thicker and easier to read. That's it. You have successfully learned how to change font size on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.